Hello, welcome to another daily t-shirt design tutorial. Yes, today is Monday. I put out videos on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So please, if you're just joining me for the first time, please subscribe. I'll be back to my daily schedule soon. I've been busy with some other things, but as soon as I'm back, you get videos daily. But for the meantime, you're going to be getting videos Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to it. But wait, please don't click off of this video. Don't click off. Let's make a deal. Watch the video to the 5 minutes mark and you can leave, because by then you'd have learned the design process from scratch. You can then leave if you don't want to watch any other part of the video, but please watch to the 5 minutes mark so that you don't miss out on any part of the design process. In this one, we're going to be using Canva. We've been using Photoshop for the last week, so we're going to be using Canva for this one. So I'm going to open canva.com. But before I do that, to prove to you, I use teespring, Redbubble and Canva for my design. So just to prove to you that I use that. So you open canva.com. You open canva.com for this. We are using canva.com for this. Using canva.com for this. So just click on create design. The dimension is 500 by 400 pixel. So you click on create. So this is a typography t-shirt design, fully text-based t-shirt design. These t-shirt designs are easy to make and they sell quite a number. So to do that, we just go to text, pick a good font. Just pick a good font. Just pick a good font for this. So I'll just find a good bold font like this. So I'm gonna load that up. So I'll duplicate this layer because I need it in two ways. So to duplicate it, I'm just gonna press my Alt key button and drag downwards. So now I have two of it. So now I'll increase this one over my mouse to this edge and I'll press my left mouse click button and drag outwards. So I'll just position this in the middle. I'll make it quite big. I want it to fill the space. Just like this. So now I'm going to ungroup it, ungroup, so that I can delete this which I don't want and this which I don't want. So I'll just delete that. So I'm left with these three. So I'll just delete this first one. Then I'll highlight the other one, which is Control A to highlight. So this one is going to be give. It's a period of giving. So we should learn to give. This is a period to give. We have to help each other out. This moment. So this design is just all about giving. So just increase this thing. Just all about giving. So now that we have that up, so I'll delete this. I might not need this again, so I'll just delete this. I'll delete this. So what now I'll do with this is to duplicate this layer, or better still, I'll just use another font. So I'll go up and find another font like this one. So I'll increase it again. So just ungroup it like I did the first time. Click outside, delete this one and delete this one. So this one I'm going to highlight, Control A to highlight, and I'm going to say mode. So now what am I going to do with this? I'm going to turn it just like this. I'm going to turn it so now I'll just increase Just gonna make it like this. Just increase it a bit. So this is gonna be the design. So for this first one, I'm gonna make it blue. Just make it blue. Make it blue. And for this mode, I'm just gonna try to figure out the best color for it. So I like this color. So now that we have that all set up, I'm just gonna click on my download button. As you can see, I'm using the free version of Canva, so I can't get my design without the white background. But if you stick around, I'm gonna show you how to remove the white background. But if you don't want to stick around, just click download and click on download. But just know, once you upload your designs on Redbubble, TeePublic and Teespring, you can only place your designs on white surfaces. That's white shirt, white mug, white bags, and the white duvet and the rest. And this will limit your profit margin. So I always advise you make a design without the white background, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So far so good. We have gone 6 minutes into this, and if you don't want to watch any other part of this video, you can click off and make use of your design with just the white background. But if you want to see me remove the white background, just keep following me, and I'm going to show you how that is done. So I'll show the folder to make sure I've downloaded it properly. This is it. So I'm going to right click and open with Photoshop. Open with Photoshop. So Photoshop, now I'm going to remove the white background so that you can place your design on any surface you want it, any color of designs you want it. So now we have this. So I'm just going to create a new layer. You see this folded paper, it says create new layer. I'll click on that, click on layer 0, come to the magic word tool, which is this tool here. This tool you see, it says the magic word tool. Click on it and click on the white. So I'm going to get rid of every white in the background, so that we just, as you can see, I've done that. As you notice, the other shape has some white. I'm going to do the same thing with that, just to get rid of all the excess white. So we have a fully loaded design without a background. So you see, it's quite easy. It's quite easy. If you don't have Photoshop, you can get Photoshop, or if you know someone that has Photoshop, you can just use their system. So now we've fully done that. Now you see I can go over and just move my design a bit. You can see it, give mode. So that's it. We're in the spirit of giving, and it's advisable, give if you have to give, and just spread the positive love. As you can see, just about 8 minutes. Now I'm just going to save it and show you how to put it on the 3D mockup. I'll show you how to put it on 3D mockup. So I'm going to save it. Save as. Remember, we want to save it as pictures. So this is give. So we want to save it as PNG because we don't want the white background. So it's important we save it as PNG. So just do that and save. So you can see it's saving. So while it's saving, I'll just go over to pictures again, go to mockups, and find the anger mockup, which is this one. So now I'll just go to design. So just go to design, and I'll just delete this and bring in our new design. Bring in our new design. This is it. So just bring in this design. So now you see it's quite big, so I'm going to reduce this. So to do that, I'll just over my mouse to this edge, press my Alt key button, Shift key button, my left mouse key button. I'll press them all down together, and I'll move my mouse inwards to reduce, outward to increase, inward to reduce. So I'll just press enter. When I'm done, click on file and save. And now you can see our design is on our shirt. The design is on our shirt, so we can just Ctrl T to just arrange it the way we want it to be. Just the way we want it to be. As you You can see it's quite simple, quite easy. Your design should not take your time and you're good to go with it. So as you can see, it just took us about 10 minutes to do this and we are all done. To your right, you see the playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists if you want to be a pro in t-shirt designs and putting t-shirt designs on your shirt, your mug, make money from print on demand, selling your t-shirt on sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring. Make sure you stick around, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and watch most of my pictures, and you'll be super cool, super understand the process of t-shirt design. With that said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I'll see you in Wednesday's video.